Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix the 100% disk usage in our Windows 10 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. And here in our Windows icon, please make a right click on it and then click on run options, or we can also do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether. And in here, in this window, please type services.msc and then click on OK or enter. And once we're in the services window, please select sysmain. And to do that, please select one service and then go press S in your keyboard, and we will be brought to the S section. So here we need to find for sysmain. Here it is. Now once found, please make a right click on it and then click on properties. And then for the startup type, please make sure that you have chosen disabled option. And if not, please click on this drop down button to choose for disabled option. Now once chosen, please click on apply and then click on OK. Now once done, do a right click and then click on stop. Okay, so next time when we restart, this device will not be active and it won't be available anymore. Okay, so in the same tab, the next service that we are looking for is connected devices platform. So again, select one and then click on C so that we will be brought to the connected devices platform, this one. So make a right click and then go click on properties. Now in here, we need to make sure that the startup type is set to disabled. And then once set, please click on apply and then click on OK. And click make a right click again and then click on stop. Now once done, let's move on with the next process. Let's go to the file explorer. Let me just close this one. So this one, and all we need to do here is to select this PC options from the left pane and go to or select your main drive where your operating system is installed. Now here we need to make a right click and then go to properties and then go to tools tab. And in here, we need to click optimize under optimize and defragment drive option. So click on optimize. Storage cannot sort because the task scheduler service is not running. Start the task scheduler service and try again. Okay. So in your case, just select optimize and then once selected, please click on apply and then click on OK and it will be done. And scheduled optimization should be turned off. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our search bar. Let me just close this one and then click on, type for update. And let's go to Windows Update. Windows Update Settings. Okay, so here, make sure that you are up to date, that you have downloaded and installed the latest version or the latest Windows update that is available for your device. And make sure you have downloaded or you have turned on this option here, get the latest updates as soon as they're available. And once you have seen that you're up to date, please make sure that you make a quick restart with your PC. And then once done, let's move on with the last step. So let's go to your task manager and please make a right click on your Windows icon. Let me just maximize this one and let's go to the startup apps. So in here, all you need to do is just look for the enabled apps and identify if they are unwanted or unnecessary, and if they are, please make sure that you disable them if you don't want them to be associated during startup. So to disable them, all you need to do is just select that application and then make a right click on it and then click on this disable button. Okay, so after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.